When disaster strikes, will you be ready? In this video, we're revealing the best Doomsday survival gear and gadgets you must have in 2025. From bug-out bags, tactical gear, and emergency food supplies to solar-powered tools, portable water filters, and off-grid survival kits. These must-have items are perfect for any SHTF scenario. Whether it's a natural disaster, power grid failure, or total collapse, this gear could save your life. Stay prepared, stay smart. Let's dive into the ultimate survival checklist.
When you're venturing outdoors, having a reliable and eco-friendly source of power for your devices is essential. The Esotabi portable solar folding table offers a compact and efficient solution for powering your gear during outdoor adventures. This versatile table combines solar panels with a stable work surface, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or travel. It easily folds to fit into your backpack, providing convenience without the bulk. The high-performance solar panels are coated with durable DuPont PVF lamination, ensuring protection from UV rays, moisture, and mechanical damage. With an adaptable power output and eco-friendly design, it lets you charge devices while enjoying the great outdoors. Whether you're working or relaxing, the Esotabi table ensures you're powered up and ready for any adventure. When you're out exploring the outdoors, having an adaptable, all-in-one camping system is essential to maximize comfort and convenience. Meet the Crewa Modus Camping System, a revolutionary multifunctional camping solution designed to simplify your outdoor adventures. At its core, it's a tent, but it also doubles as a sleeping bag, air mattress, hammock, picnic blanket, and more. The base features an integrated self-inflating mattress with a zip-on quilt for added warmth and comfort. The inflatable poles and bug mesh protect from the elements and insects. The reflective, waterproof fly sheet regulates temperature, making it suitable for all weather. For ultimate flexibility, the fly sheet converts into a hammock, and the quilt can be used as a picnic blanket. Whether you need shelter, comfort, or lounge space, the Crewa Modus ensures you're prepared for any adventure. Camping in uneven, rocky terrains or over streams often limits traditional tent setups, leaving adventurers longing for versatile and imaginative solutions. Introducing the Hanging Tentness Tent, a groundbreaking blend of hammock and tent, designed to let you camp anywhere, suspended in the air. Perfect for hammock and tent enthusiasts alike, this innovative tent provides unparalleled flexibility, whether you're pitching it over rocky ground, at a cliff's edge, or amidst a forest stream. The Tentness is lightweight, waterproof, and insect-proof, featuring a durable mosquito net that ensures a peaceful night's sleep. Its 3 adjustable straps allow you to set the floor's firmness, offering a soft, flexible experience or a rigid, stable surface based on your preference. This versatile tent is ideal for trekking, hitchhiking, or even a backyard adventure with your kids. A reliable power source during outdoor activities or emergencies is essential for staying connected and prepared. Meet the Sunpack Backpack Solar Charger, a versatile and eco-friendly backpack that keeps your devices powered anywhere. Ideal for camping, hiking, or daily business use, Sunpack features a removable solar panel with advanced ETFE film coating for enhanced durability, UV resistance, and efficiency. Its dimpled surface minimizes light reflection and increases solar absorption by 5%, ensuring optimal energy conversion. The integrated 3500 mAh battery is a buffer between the solar panel and your devices, providing consistent charging even when sunlight fluctuates. The external USB charger port and built-in cable make charging smartphones, tablets, and other USB gadgets seamless. Sunpack also prioritizes safety and functionality, boasting reflective panels for night visibility and multiple compartments for organized storage. Whether exploring the wilderness or navigating city life, Sunpack ensures you're powered up and ready for anything. Cooking outdoors often requires bulky equipment and compromises versatility, making it difficult to enjoy a seamless camping experience. The Morph Cooker electric camp stove revolutionizes outdoor cooking with its compact, multifunctional design. Measuring just 18 millimeters when packed, it offers the versatility of a frying pan, grill, barbecue, water boiler, and oven, all in one. Magnetic locking handles ensure secure operation, while the waterproof construction withstands extreme weather, including winds up to 80 miles per hour. Powered by solar energy, a car outlet, or a home charge, the Morph Cooker is eco-friendly and even plane-friendly. It features easy cleaning with a single wipe and includes a high-powered LED torch for nighttime use. Beyond cooking, it can warm your sleeping bag for up to 8 hours and charge your devices, making it a must-have survival tool. A compact, durable stove that fits in your pocket is a must-have for efficient and hassle-free outdoor cooking during camping and hiking. The Core Polar Titanium micro-alcohol stove delivers a highly reliable cooking experience with its innovative design. Crafted from lightweight titanium, this stove is built for durability and ease of use. It incorporates a carbon felt wick and a titanium heat sink, making it efficient even in sub-zero temperatures. Its zero-to-boil phase ensures rapid heating, getting 2 cups of water to a boil in just minutes, while the auto-simmer mode offers precise control for extended cooking. Designed to prevent leaks, resist crushing, and function without preheating, the Core Polar Stove is spill-proof and ultra-dependable. With an hour-long burn time on one filling, it's an essential tool for any backpacking or camping adventure.